Hello everybody, I'm Susan Furness and I'm from Strategic Solutions. We've been in Arabia since, I've been in Arabia since 1991, and when I heard that Anas was speaking, I really wanted to come in and hear what he had to say. And one of the things that really did it for me, really excited me, is when he talked about the content compass. Now, the compass is a wonderful thing to look at because guess what? In this world where as marketeers, we can end up feeding content obesity and information starvation. How do we not get into that place? How do we get into the place of relevant content? Where do we find the content or the message? Go to the compass, just as Anas said. And I say that the compass has north, east, south, and west. And do you know what that spells? It spells news. It's the acronym for news. So if you always make sure that your content is newsworthy, it's not about your product, it's not about you, it's about what that you can offer to the listener and the audience. That's news. And where can you find that content? All around the compass. You can find it north, you can find it south, you can find it east and west. And thank you very much for coming.